Hello, hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video we are going to use Claude Code. Using Claude Code we will create a simple tic-tac-toe game using a plain HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you don't know about the Claude Code, you can come here anthropic.com Claude Code and read what exactly it is. So in short, it's basically a AI tool for a developer, right? They can write code using Claude Code, debug and do lot of stuff in their day-to-day activity. So if you have not installed Claude Code in your system, then you just install Node.js and run this npm command anthropic AI Claude Code, and it will install in your system. So Claude Code basically is a terminal, right? You can access through a terminal using a command Claude. Just go in your working directory and run a simple Claude command, then it will launch a Claude Code in your terminal, right? And here you can basically type your prompt and it will respond accordingly, right? So I'm not going to use a terminal for a Claude Code, so I will use VS Code editor. In VS Code editor you can install a Claude Code extension. Here you can search Claude Code and just install, and then here you can see a little Claude Code symbol, right? Once you click on this, then it will open a terminal inside your VS Code, right? And then you can use so the advantage is basically here you can see your file, and here you can type your prompt and it will change and you can directly review here, right? So for our tic-tac-toe game, I have written some instruction for Claude Code so that it can follow and create a game. So here I have given some instruction for visual. I will link in the description this whole prompt, and you can use directly for your learning purpose, right? So in this video we will not going to write a single line of code, right? We will use Claude Code. Even if any error comes, then we will ask to Claude Code to resolve that by using a screenshot or pasting an error directly, right? So you can read this, right? So either you can just copy paste and the whole prompt in here, or what you can do, you can refer this document using @ right, @ and the file name, and you can ask like implement this tic-tac-toe game, right? Then it will start implementing basically. So let's enter and then see what it will do. So it's saying I will create, basically it will create. So it's first it created a to-do. It's created a 6 to-do list. So it will go one by one, and right. So first task, it created a HTML file. So we have to give permission if you are running first time, and basically this is a first session. Every session it will ask to edit or delete any file, so that accidentally it will not delete or edit anything. So you can say yes, or you can also say yes and don't ask for this session until this terminal is open. So I'll do this. So we should not do any yes for that. Okay, so now let's wait a couple of seconds more and it will complete all these to do, and it will create a beautiful game. Here you can see .html file, right? Basically what you can see here, it's h1 then some status div, and this is the 9 grid basically, and here you can see some styling, board, cell and other thing, and some media query as well for responsiveness. Here if you see here, so the Tic-Tac-Toe game is completed by Claude Code. So it's saying like just open index.html in your browser and just play. So and here you can see the JS. So let's go to the HTML file and run this. So I have opened live server, so I'll go open the live server. So here you can see a beautiful interface for Tic-Tac-Toe game basically. So now let's play X. So this is a manual game, so you have to basically play for both X and 0 yourself, right? So here if I go and yeah, player X won, right? Here this is a restart game, so I'll click and it will restart 0 x 0 x 0 x. So now it's completed the game and there is no error basically. Here you can tell Claude Code to implement lot of features as well, like save each user how many time won, lost, other like if you play X then computer play O automatically, right? So in the next video we will try to implement that computer play computer mode as well. Okay, thank you for this video.